In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Google Meet experience. Whether you're hosting or attending a virtual meeting, ensuring that your connection and video quality are as smooth as possible can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right into it and work through a few key adjustments and maintenance tips. When you first open up Google Meet, you'll want to take a moment to adjust your video resolution settings. This can be quite crucial, especially if you've been experiencing lag or if the video quality isn't up to par. Once you're actually in a meeting, you'll notice 3 dots down in the lower part of your screen. It might seem like a tiny detail, but these 3 dots are your gateway to optimizing your meeting experience. Go ahead and click on those dots and a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Now, once you're in the settings, look for the video option. This is where you can adjust your video resolution. If you find your connection isn't holding up, consider switching out of HD. Reducing the video quality can actually help if you're dealing with persistent lag. It might seem counterintuitive, but lowering the resolution can result in a smoother connection if your internet bandwidth is struggling. Another simple but effective trick is turning off your video camera when you're not speaking. This not only helps with bandwidth issues, but also reduces distractions for others in the meeting. It's a small step with a big impact, especially in larger meetings where multiple video streams can hog the internet bandwidth. The next step involves a bit of regular maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Go to the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser and you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click on these dots and then hover over Help. From there, select About Google Chrome. Regularly updating Chrome ensures that any bugs affecting performance get fixed and you're running the most efficient version of the browser. Another important maintenance task involves clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can significantly improve your performance since accumulated data can slow things down. To do this, find your way to Privacy and Security in your browser settings. Once there, click on Delete Browsing Data. You'll then want to choose Clear Data Now. Regularly clearing these things out can help reduce lag, especially during Google Meet sessions. So by following these simple steps and incorporating regular maintenance routines, you can considerably enhance not only your Google Meet experience, but your overall browsing efficiency. With these tips, you'll be on your way to hosting and attending meetings more seamlessly in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these tips make your virtual meetings a lot more effective and enjoyable.